Hi, I'm Brie Burrow with Concept AgriTek, and today we are in a soybean field and we are going to demonstrate how to pull tissue tests. One of the main reasons why we pull tissue tests is to see the levels of micro and macronutrients in the plant, like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. And that way we can talk with the farmer and let them know what they may need or what they're lacking in the plant. First, on soybeans, what you want to do is you'll come out here and you're going to want to pull the newest trifoliate next to the fruiting site, because this has the most abundant nutrients in the plant, and this will give a better reading on what the plant may need or what it is lacking or has too much of. So for instance, after you pull this one, what we usually do is we make a circle to get to see the different levels throughout the field. That is how you pull tissue on soybeans, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to Concept AgriTek.